Hey folks, Alan Manick, the Hot Rod Hippie here. This week I am in southern New Jersey for the Race of Gentlemen in Wildwood, New Jersey. As a result, unfortunately, I wasn't able to get together a full video for you this week. I worked on it a bit, been working around on projects here in New Jersey with some friends, trying to make some van progress, and unfortunately, the video just did not come together for today. I'm gonna have a full video from the Race of Gentlemen for you next week, and Tooltip Tuesday on Tuesday this week. Let's go ahead and check out a couple of the cars here at my buddy's place, and I will see you folks next week. Bye.